Welcome to this episode of Sprout TV in conjunction with the Bounce Back Wellbeing and Resilience program. My name is Rose and I'll be taking you through the lesson today. Here's a list of statements that you can say to yourself to help you cope better when things feel difficult. The first letters of each statement spell out the words bounce back. If you use these ideas, they can help you to bounce back from setbacks and negative thinking to a more positive place. Today we're going to have a look at the fifth statement in Bounce Back that begins with letter C. Concentrate on the positives no matter how small and use laughter. Before we begin, pause and share one small good thing that's happened to you today. For example, did you have a yummy breakfast? Did you get to school early and play with your friends? Did you get to play with your pet? Now let's explore concentrating on positives with this example. Sammy and Anne both forgot it was Mufti Day at school and turned up wearing their school uniforms. They were both pretty embarrassed to be the odd ones out. That evening, when asked how their days were, Sammy said she hid in the library at recess and lunch because she was so embarrassed and it was the worst day ever. Anne mentioned that she forgot to dress up, but focused on the concert the older kids had put on at lunch. Was it Sammy or Anne who looked for the positives in this situation? Anne has learned to be a positive tracker. Like Sammy, she was embarrassed about forgetting about Mufti Day, but she could still find the good things that happened in her day. In contrast, Sammy let her embarrassment take over and ruin her day. When we concentrate on the positives, even the very small good things that happen, then it boosts our mood and we feel happier. Pause after each of the following questions and discuss as a class. How does finding small good things or having a laugh help us to feel better? If you're focusing on finding small good things in your life rather than only noticing the bad things, then you change your perspective. Even noticing very small good things can help you feel more positive. How does it make a difference to your life if you notice more positive things rather than negative? Well, if you practice concentrating on the positives, you experience more positive feelings, which over time help you build up a positive bank account. This means you'll bounce back more quickly when you experience a setback. How is it useful to use laughter in a difficult situation, do you think? Sometimes seeing the funny side of a bad or difficult situation helps you to cope better. This doesn't mean the problem goes away or you're making light of it, but it can help you be more hopeful about things. Now pause after each of the following scenarios and identify the potential bright side of the situations. Scenario 1. You don't get into the basketball team. A bright side could be that now you can spend your Saturday mornings doing lots of different things. Scenario 2. An event everyone is excited about is postponed due to rain. Perhaps an upside is that you can stay inside, watch a movie and eat popcorn. And scenario 3. You ripped your pants when you fell over at lunch. You see the funny side and laugh about it. You also think it's a good thing that you're wearing dark underpants. To sum up this coping statement, have a think about what makes it easier to find the positives. First, at the end of the day, think of 3 good things that happened. Be a positive tracker and find the good things in life. Avoid saying nasty things about others or putting them down. Try not to grizzle, moan, or groan when things don't go your way. Be less critical of yourself and others. And look for all the things that you do well, no matter how small, and comment genuinely on positive things about others. Finally, when something bad happens, try to find any small thing that's positive. Thank you for watching Sprout TV. If you'd like more resources, please visit the websites on the screen and have a lovely day.